Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Create a free Boom Learning account, choose Teacher or School Workspace, and verify your email to unlock authoring tools. This initial setup typically takes 5 minutes. Use a modern browser, Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox, on desktop or tablet for full functionality, and enable pop-ups and cookies so cards load smoothly. Browse the library and preview up to 10 cards per deck. Decide whether to use free decks or a premium deck before assigning. Link your Google or Microsoft account for single sign-on and faster class setup. Open the deck builder, add new cards, duplicate existing ones, or delete unwanted slides using drag and drop. Organize cards into lessons of 10 to 20 items for focused practice. Insert images and upload audio files under 5 MB for each card, and choose text font sizes from 10 to 48 for readability. Configure interaction types such as multiple choice, short answer, drag and drop, or sortable lists, and enable instant feedback or delayed scoring depending on your instructional goals. Save often and use duplicate to create. Assign decks to individual students or whole classes, schedule availability dates, and set optional time limits to control session length. You can provide a direct link or post in your LMS. Monitor student progress with built-in reports that show accuracy, number of attempts, and average time per card, so you can identify learning gaps and reteach targeted skills. Use self-paced mode for independent practice, live or Boom Cards Classroom for synchronous lessons, and export scores as CSV for gradebooks or parent reports when required.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.